Hi, my name is Paul, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about the WORTEX PW 1621 pressure washer. The WORTEX pressure washer is suitable for intensive washing and cleaning of various surfaces using water and detergents. The model effectively handles dirt on cars, garden equipment, facades, terraces, garden furniture, and other objects. The cleaner is well suited for use with hot water from standard household mains, and the self-priming function allows it to draw water from external containers, which is especially handy for garden plots or garages. The washer is equipped with a high-pressure hose reel. Due to the reel design, the hose does not have to be fully unwound before starting work. The pressure washer has motor overload protection. The WORTEX pressure washer is an indispensable and reliable assistant in thoroughly cleaning various surfaces.